Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Sabrina Carpenter's espresso outfit on Dress to Impress for the summer. You do need VIP for the skirt, but I guess there's a few, maybe you can use this one. It's just not the same shape, but you can do what you want basically. For the hair, I just use this hair in this color here. And only bangs, no adjustments made, and I use this hair and no bangs. Position the Y 0.45, rotate the X to 0.52, and scale it to 0.42. Then on this hair, I didn't do any adjustments. For the headband, I use this one in this color, 3B2408. Save that, you're going to need that. In default, scale to 0.48. Grab this bow and in type 3. Position the Y at 0.65, Z 0.62, rotate the X at 0.45 and scale it to 0.26 and color it the same as the headband. For the outfit, we're going to use this skirt here, which is in the Valentine's collection in VIP, in no bows. Color it the same in matte. Then we're going to get this dress in the top toggle and we're just going to color it the same brown color. Then I actually don't know if she wears sandals or what. I'm just going to use these ones, but you can use anything you want. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.